So much to do, so little time. Every job extends into a lifetime. It costs a dime or two. There's no excuse to polish poop and be stuck in some downward spiral glue. Not like Van Gogh's missing here, no corner cutting here. Less post-impressionism, more professionalism. Yeah, we're in this tunnel, but we're seeing light. Finally, whoa! Tunnel 3/4 through. I'm in mine, you're in yours too, no doubt. Shout out, eyes up, look ahead. Yes, that means you jump up, crack on, work hard, don't stop. Wipe a motor, wiping arms, sweeping screen, clearing, no sleeping, fuse boxes in. Grab another gin, take a sip, we're in for the win. Now gaining traction. I'm like Bond, not shaking but stirred to action. Consulted Q, he wanted missile launches, I said okay, fit 2. Drink soda and eject the C2, an oil slick thing, he said calm down.